Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my B in North Maharashtra University in uh, in 2019, and today's date is 15 January 2022, and today's topic is life cycle about thread. Then we can start about thread. What is thread? Thread is nothing but in the thread we can we can execute multiple programs in a single time as per their time management, as per what we want to execute first. Then thread, what is about thread life cycle? The thread life cycle in Java goes through various stages in its life. According to there are four stages of life cycle Java: runnable, non-runnable, terminate, and run. There are no running state, but better understanding the thread when we are explaining it. Five stages of life cycle of thread Java is controlled by JVM. For better understanding, please have a look at the concept of the thread. It can become first newborn, then it runnable, then it running, and then block. It block means not runnable, and lastly dead means terminated. A new thread is the beginning of the life cycle of a new stage. It remains the stage utility of program thread. It also refer to born thread. In we can see in simple word has created but not been started. A thread started by calling its start method. What is runnable? A runnable thread state affected a invocation of start method, but thread scheduler has a not select to running thread. A thread start live in ready to calling start method wait for its turn, and the thread scheduler decided which thread is runs for a long time or short time. What is running? When thread starting executed, then the states change to running state. The scheduler select the thread from the thread pool and it start executing the application. The last stage is dead. The dead stage, the thread running state is completed processing, and after that it can be going to the dead thread. Once thread is cannot be run again. What is block state? This is state that when the thread is still alive but currently not eligible to run. The thread that's block waiting for the monitoring block is the state. A running thread can be transitioned from the one non-runnable state depending on the situation. A thread remains in non-runnable state until the special transition occurs. A thread does not go directly to the running state from non-runnable state, but transitions from to the ready state. Non-runnable state can be we can be say the one of the state is sleeping state. What is sleeping state? The thread sleeps for a specific amount. It executes sleeps in bracket. We can give a milliseconds time. What is block? That is waits block operation. What is block for? Block for compilation. The thread awaits for compilation of another time, waiting for the notification. When the threads await notification of another thread, then it should be executed. Block for the lock acquisition, and the thread waits acquire the lock of an object, then it will be execute. JVM execute thread based on the priority of the scheduling. Example: thread life cycle. Here are the we can see the some giving example of thread life cycle. We will create a Java class where we will create a thread and then we use some its method that repeats its life cycle. In this example, we have used the method and indicates their purpose with the comment line, and the thread and subclasses name as A1 and B. In both classes, we can override the run method and execute the statement. Then we created the thread of live Java class where we created the instance of both classes. Use the class method move the thread into running state hill method to move the control. Another thread sleep method moves in a block state and successful completion of the run and a thread automatically moving to the dead thread. Thank you.